So let's find the studs. I'm going to get my trusty C.H. Hansen stud finder. This is the one that has those magnets in it. Phenomenal. So we have to find the stud. Oop, there we go. So here's one stud right here. And I just want to check that. Make sure. Yep. There's another one. Okay, so I know I got the studs here. Here's my stud. So I know my stud is right here. So 16 inches over, I should have another stud somewhere over here. There's one there. This is another way. Oh, actually I'm a little bit wrong. Should be right around here somewhere. Not really picking one up. So I have one all the way over here. Wow, that's 24 on center. Shocking. I didn't think this would be framed 24 on center, but I guess it is. Okay. I have another stud checker I want to get, and I just want to double check this. So I went downstairs and I got my other stud checker. If you watched my previous videos, you saw that I had two stud checkers. One is the C.H. Hansen, which I love. And then I also have this Franklin sensor stud checker also. So let's just double check here, because I just want to confirm that these studs are 24 on center. And I want to see if I can pick up another stud in here. Maybe there's no screw in those studs, you know, screwing off the sheetrock. Very possible, you just don't know. But it's important to have these different tools. They allow you to better seek out the issues in your walls. So I know there's a stud here. I'm going to start here, and yeah, there it is. That's the confirming. Oh, look at that. Here we go. So it looks like we do have a stud here. So the question is now, is it a stud? And if it is a stud, so it should be about here. So let's see if that comes up 16. No, that doesn't come up 16 on center, which is interesting. And now here's a stud, and that's way off. That's weird. I wonder if that's wires or something going through there, because this sensor also picks up ductwork, wires, and I do have cable wires running here, so that would concern me. So according to this, I want to see, because if there is a stud there, it should pick up screws, and I'm not picking it up. So there's one way to test this, to see if there's something there, because this says that there is. It's up here too. So it's saying that there's a stud there. So let's find out. I have a drill bit, and I want to find out if there's a stud there. There's a stud there. So interesting enough, the sheetrockers did not screw off the sheetrock here to that stud. That's why when using the small little stud finder, it couldn't find anything. Obvious why. All right, now I know where it is.